Hi.
Let's talk politics. So, how do you feel about being taxed on money over £10,000? How does that make your blood boil?
Conservative Party.
Bloody boiling.
Anything else? What would you like to say about your new policy?
I don't like that at all. One little bit, and I'm gonna protest till I fucking stick in my fucking hole.
Oh my word! And what does the Labour Party think about this?
Well, first of all, I think that there's just no need for that question, really, is there? I mean, if I was in power, no one would get taxed on anything. There would be no such thing as tax. So, you know.
Right, so you're going to abolish the tax then, are
Yes,
you?
totally and utterly.
And that's the way for New Labour, is it?
What are your
Yes.
reasons for abolishing the tax?
The reasons for abolishing the tax are basically so that people are happy. It means a lot to my party that people are happy. It's all about the people.
Fantastic. And now, what do the Liberal Democrats think about this? Old William here at the Liberal Democrats?
Well, I don't really know what you asked me in the first place anymore.
God's sake.
I mean, obviously, you've heard from the Conservative Party and the Labour Party.
Oh, tax. We're on about the tax.
Yeah, we're on about the tax, William.
Yes. Well, at the end of the day, I don't really, well, I've got nothing really to say on that one.
Okay. So, on the next question on that, thank you very much for that, William.
You're welcome.
Okay,
Very
do
welcome.
you want to listen to the next question carefully? Make sure you get your answer ready for
I will
us.
do.
Okay, now back to the Conservative Party over here. Now, do you have another question from the studio audience for her?
How do you feel about immigration?
How do I feel about immigration? I like to kick the fuckers out of the country. Gotta shove my boot up their ass and fucking scuba dive them out of the fucking country.
Scuba dive out the country. Now, I mean, how do you propose to do this?
I don't know, with my hillbilly friends.
Oh, right.
I don't. Immigrants, dirty little bastards.
So you're proposing ethnic cleansing, are you?
I fucking get rid of the boogers, give them a good wash. I don't give a shit. I fucking get rid of them and go boof.
Okay, so let's see what the Labour Party think about this.
Well, first of all, can I say that the Conservative Party, you are actually an immigrant yourself. So you have no right in this debate to sit there and actually tell other immigrants that they should leave the country. But basically my own view on the situation is that, yes, I think we should be a lot more stricter. I think that we should tend to go to the families' homes and talk to them person to person and to try and figure out, you know, who they are and what they are and why they are here. What is wrong with their country?
Well, I mean, obviously, they struggle.
But I don't understand struggling. I mean, I've never struggled. Do you see what I mean? So, in my view, either they want to stay and they pay into our country, or they go home. And
I mean, it sounds like you feel very strongly about this matter.
I
mean, you said if you're brown, get your head down, darkies get out.
That was a paper review that was not proven, actually.
You're full of shit.
Listen,
And,
I refuse to be held up on this accusation.
Can I just say there, Miss
pledged
Thatcher,
my
obviously
case.
you do have an eBay account. You were selling the labels off a marmalade jar, and you were selling the pictures of the gollywogs for passport photos for Negroes.
For God's sake, that was one mistake that my...
One mistake?
This
You
was
sold
printed in the
250
paper,
million
and I refuse to discuss
gollywog
this matter right
pictures
now.
to the coons so they can live in our country.
No, you know, like I said, I refuse to discuss this.
You refuse to discuss it because you're fucking wrong, ain't you, love?
No, it was in the paper, and it was a complete and utter misunderstanding.
Okay, well, anyway, we've got to move on. We've got to see what the crazy Liberal Democrats have got to offer. William, what do you reckon on this one?
Well, I'm American. I don't even come from Britain, so I really couldn't give a shit. But when my dad brought me off on the cornfields, we said if any nigger come on our field, we bust that ass. We bust that ass bad. We beat the shit out of them, and if they don't like it, we tie them to a tree and set them alight. And that's
all right,
about
sir.
it. I know in this country we've got, laws, but at the end of the day, what the police don't know, the police won't hurt.
Can we stop there?
Yeah, because